Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Toyota Venza, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, raise it up, raise up the hood, secure the hood right here. Okay, so this is the driver's side, passenger side. I'm gonna show you on passenger side because it's a little bit more complicated. Right here we have low beam and high beam bulbs, lights, and here we have bulbs. So hope you guys can see it. Right here is one low beam bulb, and right here is the high beam bulb. Okay, this one right here. In order to get to our low beam bulb, as you can see, we have this coolant container here, reservoir. So what we do, we just slide it out. It just slides out and set it aside over here. Now we have nice access to our bulb. So to get it out, just what I'm doing here, I'm pressing on it, on the bulb, press it and wiggle it out. That's it, you have your bulb out. Next step, if you have to remove it, you just press this pin here and pull the bulb off. Very simple, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, it's done. The size is H11, which you can buy in any parts store, any gas station, dealer, you know, online. When you have a replacement bulb, just put it back in till it clicks. Find the correct position to get it in. I'm gonna use the front hand. Okay, when you have it correctly in, you can spin it till it clicks. Okay, and make sure it's nice and solid. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Same thing right here with the high beam. Okay, you just grab on it, pull it out, replace it, put it back in, and spin. Okay, till it clicks. And after you're done, just put the reservoir back on. Yes. Okay, that's it. Same thing with the driver's side. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.